Hello students, this is another problem under fire insurance claim. I'll read out the problem, then we'll go for the calculation. A fire occurred in the premises of Unlucky Limited on 30th April 2017. All the stock except the exception of 13,000 were destroyed by fire. All the stocks were destroyed except this is stock saved 13,000. From the following figures, you have to ascertain the loss occurred by the company. See the last year's information: stock on 1/1/2016 36,000, stock on 31/12/2016 66,000, purchases during 2016 4,80,000, sales during 2016 6 lakh, sales from 1st January 2017 to the date of fire 3 lakh, purchases from 1st January 2017 to the date of fire 2,30,000. Okay. Now other information: on the 20th December 2016 also the fire broke out and the cost of stock destroyed was rupees 10,000. It means in the last year, that is the year ends on 31st December, but before the end year, that is before 31st December, that is on 20th December, a fire has occurred and there was a loss of 10,000 rupees. This is of last year. Okay, last year they had a loss of rupees 10,000. There was a practice in the firm to value the stock cost less. So what happens is they used to value the stock cost less. Okay, cost less. This problem we have done, say the last problem. Cost 10% less means they have taken 90% of value. Okay, we have to take a full value 100%. Okay, so the calculation I have done in the last problem, the same calculation we have to do here. But all of a sudden they changed the practice and valued the stock on 31st December 2016 at a cost of plus 10%. So what happens is on 31st December, that is opening stock, they have valued at a cost less 10%, but the closing stock are valued at a cost plus 10%. Okay, so closing stock is valued at a cost plus 10%. The amount of the policy was 40,000 and the claim was subject to average loss. Prepare a statement of a fire insurance claim. Prepare a statement of a fire insurance claim. Okay. So here all the information is given. Last year's information is given and this year's information is given. You have to prepare the trading account here because the gross profit is not given. Find out the rate of gross profit and the amount of gross profit. Then you have to, for that you have to prepare a trading account. Okay. So let us go through trading account. Trading account for the year 2016, that is of last year, we have to prepare. Now it begins with the opening stock. As usual, you know, opening stock. Now opening stock, you have to check there was an adjustment where stock were valued less 10%. They were valuing stock less 10%. Okay, but after 31st December, it was cost plus 10%. Okay, so opening stock is cost less. Cost less 10%. So 36,000 of 90, 100 how much? So cross multiply it. Less 10% means 100 minus 10, 90. 100 how much? So cross multiply, it will get 36,000 into 100 divided by 90, 40,000. Okay, this is cost less 10%. 10% means 100 minus 10, 90. 36,000 is equal to 90. 100 how much? Okay. Next, purchases. Purchases is given in the problem. So purchases is given in the problem. It is last year's 4,80,000. Then sales is given in the problem, like sales. After that, see there was an adjustment in the problem where the stock was destroyed by fire. Rupees 10,000. 10,000 were totally destroyed by fire. Okay, so that it is of last year. So whenever anything destroyed by fire, it has to be written on the credit side. So I have written C by stock destroyed by fire 10,000. Okay. After that, the closing stock. See the closing stock of the last year, it is nearly 66,000. So it was valued at 31st December's valued at cost plus 10%. Okay, cost plus 10%. It means 66,000 is equal to 110. When it is plus 10 means 100 plus 10, 110. Okay, 100 how much? So 66,000 is equal to 110. 100 how much? This is cost plus 10%. This is cost less 10%. Opening is cost less. Okay, so here you will get 60,000. Then total both the side, the difference is called as gross profit. The gross profit is 1,50,000. Now you know, as usual, we have to calculate the rate of gross profit. The rate of gross profit is 1,50,000 divided by 6 lakh into 100. You will get 25%. Okay. Here the only thing is, here it is cost less 10%. Here cost plus 10%. Okay. Cost less means 90. Cost plus means 110. Okay. Okay. So next we will go for the second step, that is memorandum trading account from the period of 1st January 2017 to the 34/2017. Prepare opening stock. The closing stock of last year will be the opening stock of this year, that is 60,000. 60,000. Okay. Next purchases as given in the problem. 4,80,000, 2,30,000. Sales is 3 lakh. Right as it is. Then closing stock is a difference. Gross profit is 3 lakh into 25%. Calculate, you will get the total. Calculation of stock destroyed by fire. Okay. So here, as you know the step, the closing stock as on the date of fire, it is 65,000 less stock saved. It is given in the problem in the beginning. See, in the beginning it is given 13,000. So that 13,000 deduct, you will get 52,000. Then calculation of insurance claim. The formula is stock destroyed into value of the stock value of the policy. It is divided by the closing stock of on the date of fire. Stock destroyed, say 52,000 into value of the policy. Value of the policy is given in the problem. See, value of the policy is 40,000. So 40,000 divided by the closing stock on the date of fire. Closing stock is 65,000. So cross multiply and divide, you will get 32,000. This two is whatever we done in the last problem, same thing. Here the opening stock is the same as the closing stock. Purchases is given. Gross profit on sales, the percentage 3 lakh into 25%. Then closing stock is a difference. Okay, this two thing is what we have done earlier. Okay, same thing we have to do this. Here cost less and here cost more. Okay, so 3 steps. All the 3 steps are included in this problem, and moreover all the adjustments are included in this problem. So go through the problem, understand it. If you have any doubts, you can clarify it. Okay, and do it in your notes. Do it in your notes and understand the problem. Okay, thank you.